So freehand implants means you're not using something to help guide the placement. Guided implant, you're putting something in the patient's mouth that you fabricated that helps keep your hand a little bit more steady so you get an exact perfect placement. Now, one thing with guided is, I probably do 90% of my implant surgeries guided. I probably still do 10% freehand, especially when it comes to dentures and some single teeth. When you're doing a guided placement, it forces me to kind of sit down with the CBCT data and really, really plan ahead of time. And so even when I'm not doing a guided case per se, I still plan it as if I was going to do it guided, because it forces me to sit down and actually plan the case start to finish. So I think we as clinicians, we don't want to have a fully guided placement system where that's only what you do. We still have to keep the art of freehand implant placement alive. But do I do most of my surgeries guided? Yes. Am I able to do them freehanded if I want to? Yes. Preferred method is guided, but even when I do them freehand, I like to sit and study the CBCT with the patient data, with the patient digital impression integrated into the CBCT data so that I can plan the case accordingly. Because it's not necessarily about just the implant, it's about restorability of those implants after the fact.